we're going to talk about how we make our cranberry detox drink. So I brought this container. Don't laugh, it used to look like that, what was that Kool-Aid guy that used to bust through the wall. So I usually use a container this big. I would not waste your time measuring things because that is definitely what takes time. So what I have right here is organic just cranberries, no sugar added to it if you can find it. Then what I usually do is just pour the whole thing right into my jug, and then we're done with that. Then what I do is I take some more apple cider vinegar because this stuff is so good and it helps alkalize us. This gives us lots of potassium and minerals, helps heal gut. And I usually will just put a bunch of this in here, just like so. And then if I have extra time, I might even take the seeds out. At home, I have a colander or a strainer that I'll put over the top of this. And then I would just start squeezing some of these lemons. Now, for those of you who want to save even more time, you can get one of those things. I don't even know what they're called, but you can juice just like that. You could put lots of lemon in here because lemon is really good for us. If you have a lemon allergy, it's completely fine to use limes. If you have a lime allergy, you can do it without lemon or lime. If you have a cranberry allergy, we could get tart cherry juice instead. There's all different ways that we can make this, and this is all we have to do. It's pretty amazing. So this one, what does this take in 2 minutes? Somebody should be timing me on this because I'm an expert at it now and I do it fast. But we can go just like this. And then sometimes you guys like it because it's tart. Sometimes you don't like it because it's tart. So if you're one of those people that is still into the sweet and kind of missing the sweet, one of the things that you can do is you can use stevia. So these I actually got at Sprouts, but this is sweet leaf stevia drops. And this one right here is the one that I'm going to use today, is berry flavored. So it adds a little bit of a different flavor to the cranberry drink. So if it gets boring doing the same thing all the time, change it up. Take this, put a couple of dropperfuls in here because you're going to have a bunch of cranberry drink when we're done. So instead of making this one at a time, we're going to make it in bulk, so to speak. So that's one way to change it up. You could use just plain stevia if you want to. I always use the liquid because the powder gets clumpy in here. So I'll save you a few bucks and get the liquid instead of the powder and then having to go back and get the liquid. The next thing I typically do is I will fill it right up to the brim with Kangen water. I use alkaline water because that's the only water that I drink whenever I'm at home and have access to it, or at my office and have access to it. So this is exactly how fast it takes to make cranberry drink. So all you have to do is put it into your sink and turn your water on and fill it up. And so now you've got a nice, beautiful alkaline detox drink. This will last you for a few days as well. Like I said, it's so much easier than just making it 1 cup at a time. And you know what? I have found in my experience, my patients either love it from the very beginning, they hate it from the very beginning, and those that hate it tend to start to really like it. Another really cool thing that you could do to change it up just a little bit, if you have a soda stream, I take sometimes my alkaline water and I sometimes put it under that soda stream, get it bubbly, and put it in. So it's almost like a little bit of a cranberry detox organic yummy soda. So if you're a soda drinker, it gives you another option to do your cranberry drink. So I hope this helps make it really easy for you, because you guys think this is so hard, and here we are. So hope this helps. And if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out and ask. Bye-bye.